Hello students, today again explain another video of class 7 science, okay? Chapter number 13, the name of the chapter is speed and time, okay? Motion and time. And in this video, I will explain really about the time and its measurement, okay? Now, without wasting the time, I will start today's topic, that is the time. Time. In time, it is defined as the gap between two successive events. Okay, there's some gaps, okay, which is there in between the two successive gaps, right? For example, I'll give the examples. Okay, that is today I will give the examples. Okay, that is the gap between, okay, before lunch and after lunch. There's some period is there for taking the lunch, right? And this period is also known as, that is the time, right? In ancient India, they used a lot of the techniques to determine or to measure the times, okay? Now I will explain what are the measurements they are using for the times, okay? Now, measurements of time. Measurement of time. Okay? Now, one day. One day. How can you measure one day? Right. Measurements of the one day. Next, the measurements of the one day in here, the time between the one sunrise. Okay? In here, the time between one sunrise. Means today is sunrise. Okay? I say today sunrise, and next this what sunrise, that is tomorrow sunrise. Okay, there's some gap between these two sunrise. Okay, that is known as the one day. What about the 1 month? 1 month. 1 month is, I think that is the time between one new moon, or the time between this the time between one new moon to one new moon to next new moon. Next new moon. This also we can say that there is the one, that is the month. Okay, by this way we are measuring the times, okay, in the ancient period. Okay, in ancient period the time is measured, that is today's sunrise. Okay, the gap between today's sunrise and the tomorrow's sunrise. Okay, that this gap is known as the one day, right? And 1 month means the first or the one new month, okay, and the next new month. There's some gap, okay. This gap is nothing that is known as the 1 month, right? Let's copy down this one. Next, done. Okay. Due to the discovery of the simple pendulum by the Galileo Galilei, okay? Simple pendulum. Simple pendulum. Okay? Due to this discovery of the simple pendulum by Galileo Galileo Galilei. Okay, okay. After discovery of this what the simple pendulum by the Galileo Galilei, what happened? This what we start this what discovery of the 1 hour, 1 minute, and 1 second. Okay, this is the simple pendulum which is discovered by Galileo Galilei. Okay, please take the spelling of Galileo Galilei. Okay, if I this one is mistake, then you correct it. Okay, with the help of your dictionary. Right. Now, what is the simple pendulum? Just take. Okay. Now, the simple pendulum. I will draw the diagram. This is a simple pendulum. Okay, this is like this. Okay, this is the one or any objects. Okay, this is the one thread, and in here this is the bow, metallic bow. This is the bow. This is metallic. Okay, and this is the thread. Metallic bow, and this is the thread. Okay, and in here this metallic bow, and this is the thread. Now look here, this simple pendulum. Okay, we this what pull this simple pendulum up to this portion. Say this is the A portion. Okay, this is the B portion. This is C portion. Okay, when we pull this simple pendulum, okay, till B, right? Okay, after that the B will this simple pendulum will go to the A again, then to the C. Okay, the first one, and coming back from the this one, then A, then to the C. And this one complete one circle is known as the 1 second. When a simple pendulum travels one complete circle, and this one complete circle is considered to be known as a 1 second. Or we can say that we start pulling the simple pendulum, the mean position is A, right? If we start pulling the simple pendulum from the A, then to the B, okay? Then from to the B to A, then to C. Right, and then come back to the A, and that means one complete circle is going from A to B, and B to A, and then A to C, then C to A. That means they're coming back to this part, right? After covering the B and C, and this complete circle is known as the 1 second. Okay, what this simple pendulum I will explain. Okay, please draw this diagram of this simple pendulum. Okay, this diagram of this was simple pendulum, and this is known as the bow. Okay, and this is known as the thread. Right, please draw this diagram, and you write the figure is simple pendulum. Okay, done. Okay, what is simple pendulum I will explain. Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum is consists of a simple pendulum is consists of a small metallic board, okay, a small metallic board suspended from a rigid stand, rigid means a strong, okay, a rigid stand by a thread. This is the definition of the simple pendulum. Okay, and this simple pendulum, okay, this what the motion of the simple pendulum, the motion of the simple pendulum is called oscillation. oscillatory motion. The movement of a simple pendulum. Motion is the movement of a simple pendulum is known as the oscillatory motion. Okay, and this simple pendulum, that is in oscillatory motion, you can define like this: oscillatory motion in simple way. Oscillatory motion. Definition is this one. Okay, this is not definition. This is the definition. The 2 and 4 motion of a simple pendulum is called oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion or oscillation. Oscillatory motion or oscillation. Okay, I will explain this oscillatory motion in diagram. This part finished now. Okay. What is the 2 and what is the 4? I will explain. Look here. This is the simple pendulum. This is the simple pendulum. Okay. Now this is the A portion. The simple pendulum will move straight. It should be straight. This simple pendulum, this is in the A portion. Okay. It will move towards this one. This is the B portion and this is the C portion. Okay. The movement of this bob towards the B portion is known as the 2. Right. The movement of this one bob move towards the B portion is known as the 2. And it's come back from the B to A is known as the flow. Okay, same thing from A to C. In here also A to C is known as the 2. Okay, A to C is known as the C, and C to this what? A is known as the flow. Okay. This bob is traveling starting from A to B is known as the 2, and from B to A is known as the flow. Right. From A to C is known as the 2, and C to A is known as the flow. That is why in the oscillatory motion, what it says, the 2 and the 4 motion of a simple pendulum. The simple pendulum is traveling 2 and the 4 motions. Okay. And this is known as the oscillatory motion or is known as the oscillation. Okay. Finish. Copy down this one. That. Okay. The time period to complete, okay, and oscillation, to complete an oscillatory motion is 1 second. It takes 1 second to complete the complete oscillation. Right. Now look here. Then we can start as unit of this one time. The SI unit of time is second, and it is denoted by small letter s. Okay. Other units of time, there is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? And look here, and this unit you need to understand this one by heart. Okay, now look here, 1 day. 1 day is equal to how many? Sorry. 1 years. 1 year is equal to how many days? Tell me. Yes, 365 days. 1 day is equal to how many? How many hours? 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to how many? 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? It should be 60 into 60 seconds is equal to how many? 66 are 36. That is 3600 seconds. That's how can we find out this what time that is a second. Okay, then you can also convert, that is in a day, that is 1 day is equal to how many seconds? Then 1 day is equal to how many seconds? That is, you multiply 24 into 3600 seconds. Okay, then we will come this what thing out, that is 3600 into 24. 0 0 4 6 are 24. Okay, 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 0 0 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6 7. Now it becomes 0 0 4. It becomes 6 and 8. Now is equal to 86,400 seconds. In a day, how many seconds are there? In a day, there are 86,400 seconds. Don't forget, okay? And this is the most important part, okay? Now, if you have any doubt or any confusions, okay, let me know, okay? And please watch this video till end, okay? Don't jump or don't forward these videos, okay, while you're playing, okay? And this time is one of the most important topic, okay, of this chapter, okay? And I will explain the next video about the different types of the speed and what are the graphs, okay? How can you draw the graphs of the speed, okay? Thank you for students, okay, for giving the time for me. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubt. Thank you once again. Bye bye.